Good morning, everyone. My name is Janvi. I'm currently pursuing my BSc AI degree in SDNB Vaishnav College through FacePrep campus. I want to thank my mentors to improving myself in skills and too in my technical skills like coding, Python, and more like that. Thanks to FacePrep giving me a best opportunity learning.
Review meetings. Every Saturday they will be conducting review meetings and point out our mistakes. It was helpful to correcting us.
In starting days, I don't have any knowledge about technical classes because I'm a biology student. Afterward, Geeta ma'am taught me to learn codings in easy manner. I hope I will do my best in upcoming days. Thank you.
On my admission time, I don't have any idea about FacePrep campus and how they are going to teach us. But now they made us to feel so special and unique in this college.
FacePrep campus provides me excellent academic resources and well-educated professional mentors.
Nazia ma'am and Geeta ma'am helped to developing the communications, reading skills and coding.
Studying here gain my basics foundational skills.
Actually, in schools and all, we used to type that program and enter only one output and it's just a test one test case. But here, Geeta ma'am gave the practice of checking the various test cases.
Our technical mentor Geeta ma'am taught us coding programs in Python, and we learned many things, and I learned many things in coding.
First of all, I am zero in computer science as a biology student. And the beginning of the college, with the help of Geeta ma'am, I learned some basic things, and now I am happy that I will code by myself.
In FacePrep campus, I learned more things in technical as well as in communication. Both the mentors are more supportive and friendly to me. I hope I will learn new things in the upcoming years.
Though I am a computer science student, I was zero at coding, and I would like to thank my mentor because she taught me from the scratch.
The support from the mentors has been outstanding.
I'm delighted to be the part of FacePrep campus. Thank you for choosing FacePrep campus to tutor us and enlighten our future.
Past 1 month, it was very difficult for me because I didn't know any coding basics also. But now I am little bit I know coding now because of Geeta ma'am's training. And in communication also, I didn't know that much, but now I can speak in front of all without any fear.
I spent a month in FacePrep campus learning artificial intelligence. It was an incredible experience for me.
This experience was truly amazing. The faculty and the members was exceptionally providing a personalized guidance throughout my journey. I have to thank technical and coding ma'am for giving me a wonderful opportunity to learn. Because of them, I have improved my communication and coding and problem solving skills. Thank you for the opportunity given by FacePrep.